I wanted to make a quick video of the new ignition system. It's a bit of a jumble here on the bench, but let me see if I can get some pictures. Here is the coil pack mounted on the top of the ignition module itself. These are simply stock LS1 wires right from GM, just to test with. These are the Casper's Electronics spark gap testers. The gap is about a half an inch and lets us get a good idea of how much spark power we're getting. You can see this one is starting to melt. Inside the controller, like I said, this is sort of a prototype, so we've got all my other junk in here. But up here, you can see we've got our rev limit settings and some option configuration switches. There's a USB port here for updating software and other cool tricks that we may decide to do sometime. 32-bit processor, quite a bit more power than even the stock ECM has. Plugs into the factory harness, plugs in, drops in, and ready to go. This is the back side view. This is the back mounting point. This box is mounted on a factory bracket, so you can see the factory bracket mounted to the bottom here. Those are even the little factory locking nuts. This plug is where all of the coil drive signals come out. The LEDs are there just for my testing, but it's currently wired to our high-tech waste spark coil pack, which has, by specs, the same sort of fire that the LS2 coils do. It makes quite a big spark, but this output can drive individual coils if we mount them on the valve covers or elsewhere, and that's configured using some of the option switches inside of the unit. So this is what it looks like, and the other video shows it running.